I assure you, yes, we have done our own party by electing a government in the state. If the government says it does not want us, will you kill yourself? No! Will you run away from the party you built? No! We are the party members. We have taken over our party. The way we did it, how we did it, in 2023, the same God will allow us, will support us, will be with us in 2027. Let nobody be intimidated. I know how it is when you have worked hard and at the end of the day you are pushed away. I know how bad you feel. But again, it's not every business you enter into that you get profit. So see this one as one of those businesses that you invested and you lost. So, but that will not make you not to continue to work hard in order to invest in future and make your profit. So be strong. Be strong. They said that we are finished. They are finished. Anyway, so they said they are finished. And let me assure all of you, not while we live. Not while we live. Anybody will take away the structure of PDP from us. Not while we live. They thought we would have come to them and start begging. Are we begging? No! We're not begging. Let them go and see what is happening in Abuja. So they know if we are talking about politics in Nigeria, we are more relevant than them. Yes. If today I say I will move to another party, it will be a tsunami. Yes. But we have said we will remain where we are. Yes. And I will continue. I did not hide it in 2023 when I said, PDP, I will not support you for presidential election. Did we hide it? No. I said I will not support you because you refused to allow justice, equity, and fairness to play. And so, we don't regret. When Buhari was there, he never seen me play two sides. I never went to the villa in the night. And the third time I come out and shout. Day and night I never went. Some of them now, in the night, they love the president. In the daytime, they say different. Be a man of character. Stand so that people will know this is whom you are. I have some people now say, oh, they are supporting the government. Why won't you support him? We defeated their own candidates. Tell us, who was their candidate in 2023? They all lost. You're not ashamed what you did not plant. You want to harvest. An armed robber is an armed robber. Any day, any time. People have no shame. Who swore over their dead body? Over their, that's why when people die, sometimes don't cry. They don't know what led to their death. People took oath over their dead body. Will they come around this small boy? Today, they are coming around, not only coming around, running around. And serving. Tomorrow now when they die, they say, something must have happened. You didn't know that they took oath. That oath is still there. So that's why it's difficult when some people die. I have me cry because I don't know what led to that death. So we have to be careful. The day I will speak about them, Nigerians will bow. Nigerians will know whom they are. I don't want to talk about them now. He went to court, they got order. INEC is not a party to the other. and you are writing around finance not to monitor. Meanwhile, the Federal High Court order directed INEC to go and monitor the election. Every minute that the State High Court order, even though they know the State High Court has no jurisdiction, but they say, let's do it. Let it be that we have it. You have nothing. You have what? Nothing. At the end of the day, you have nothing. It's a temporary brief. Every court they have gone, they have 530 actions against the assembly, against everybody. Have they won one? No. And let me also say, Chief Awuse, who have not been around for a past 6 months, most of you may not know that he was very, very down. Very, very down. It was rumored that he has died and this and that. To the glory of God, he's back. Very healthy. And some of the leaders visited him yesterday, and I encourage the chairman of Finance Council, and who will elect today, and the chairman of the party, to also try and go and pay him a visit. To encourage him. He's one of our leaders. He stood firm. While he was on Akuma, somebody was accusing him and saying he was sacked. What's important to me that he's alive. It's not who is standing on traditional council.